Island in the sun and the tales of golden rum. Waves of culture crash in a harmony they strum. Palm trees whispering history in the breeze. Each beat of the drum unlocks centuries. Roots run so deep like the ocean's heart. Every grain of sand a story to impart. From pirates' treasures to the freedom cries, legends born beneath these vibrant skies. Oh, Caribbean, a melody so sweet, where the sun and sea, the rhythms meet. We dance through time, where the cultures blend. In the Caribbean, it's a never-ending trend. From Tainos lands to the spice route sailed, voices of the past in the music trail. Calypsonian tales, reggae cultures blend in the Caribbean. It's a never-ending trend. From Tainos lands to the spice route sailed, voices of the past in the music trail. Calypsonian tales, reggaeton's embrace, Konpa's romance in the merengue's pace. Mountains rise like our spirits so high. Volcanoes of passion never running dry. A carnival of colors, a symphony in sight. Caribbean nights, an eternal delight. Oh, Caribbean, a melody so sweet, where the sun and sea, the rhythms meet. We dance through time, where the cultures blend. In the Caribbean, it's a never-ending trend. Never-ending trend. Never-ending trend. From Tainos lands to the spice route sailed, voices of the past in the music trail. Calypsonian tales, reggae cultures blaze, Konpa's romance in the merengue trend. Oh, Caribbean, a melody so sweet, where the sun and sea, the rhythms meet. We dance through time, where the cultures blend. In the Caribbean, it's a never-ending trend.